10-minute tidies. I have to say, sometimes it's the only way I can get things done. You've got a spare 10 minutes, go and do something. And in this video, I show you some of my 10-minute tidies. Often I'll go over 10 minutes because once you've got started, it's not worth stopping. Other times I've only got 10 minutes because that's all the time I've got in between meetings, before leaving for the kids. I do these all the time. I don't always film them, but I thought I'd share some with you today. Hopefully it gets you inspired to do a 10-minute tidy. Hi, I'm Emily and I run the Organised Mum Lifestyle YouTube channel, posting every Friday about the organisation that comes with working full time, having 2 preschoolers and going on adventures around New Zealand at every opportunity we can. So here we go. I set the timer on the microwave, which beeps to say when we're ready to go. I'm doing an evening one here. So we've had dinner, I think the kids are in bed, and it's just a case of go, 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 getting stuff ready. Why do I have 3, is that 4 kitchen rolls? 4 started kitchen rolls. Why? Where did they come from? Anyway, it's really good to get it tidy. I think actually this day I'm out really early for work the next morning, so it's really good to get everything sorted, give it a really good sort out, get the oven cleaned, move everything over. Oh, look at those bananas. I think I need to make something with them. Now I don't use a particularly specialist cleaner. I actually have a cleaning spray that I would have bought a long time ago and do a mild disinfectant mix which I keep topping up. I use it for pretty much everything. I also use just microfiber cloth rags, work my way around. That is the Daddy sponge, which is awesome. I've really got into it. It's a non-scratch sponge. I don't do this very often. It's super satisfying when I do, but I don't do it often enough. I mean, look at the state of it. I'm having to scrub it off, but it's really satisfying. I haven't really taken the tops or anything off and done it in detail. Actually, since I've filmed this, Daddy helped me take it fully apart, which was really helpful because some of them stopped working because there was so much grime in it. Yep, I admit. Well, that's looking a lot shinier, isn't it? It's looking really nice, putting everything back together. Oh, I love these. I don't have many ornaments, but I do quite like those on the side. They look quite good. I'm all for keeping things looking clean and easy to tidy because you don't want to have to move everything every single time. Quick finish up, and I think the timer is about to go off, so that's all I'm going to achieve this evening. Scrub Daddy's going in the dishwasher, and I'm going to put it on overnight. Okay, so here's a 10-minute tidy with a difference. The car. I've got 10 minutes. I have got a bin bag. Let's do this. It's become a complete tip. The car seats aren't in here at the moment, so I've taken an opportunity just to go for it and get it cleared. Right, let's set the timer. This is the kids' basket of toys, but it's got all sorts of stuff, including a lunchbox. Look at the amount of stuff going into that black bin bag. There's so much stuff coming out. Although, all money that gets found is mine. It goes straight into my back pocket. My heart is burning, my darling, and I can't rest till I got you. My body's burning, my darling, please let me free. I'm really getting somewhere with the back. I've chucked loads of stuff out. That bin bag's looking full, and we're still within the 10-minute timer. There's the sun cream. We're heading into winter. I do keep one lot on the car, but I know it goes off, so I thought I might have a quick sort out of that as well. Okay, that was 10 minutes. That really wasn't long enough for the state of the car. I've now got a few bits that I need to sort out, and I'm going to run the vacuum round regardless of being 10 minutes. I've probably got about 15 minutes now, so I'm going to quickly do that because that will make things better. Haven't even touched the boot, and it's nearly half a bag of rubbish that I've been driving around in the car with. Challenge of all these wonderful trips and all these holidays in our car, and with our caravan is that we just end up with stuff and food packets, and I definitely notice that the driver's seat and the passenger seat end up with all the stuff because you're opening packets and passing them back, particularly me when I'm in the passenger seat. But quick 10-minute tidy that you need to do just to keep things going. It's another day, and compared to the previous one where I'm wearing a t-shirt in the sunshine, it's actually quite cold, so I've got the fire lit for this one. This is a very common 10-minute tidy. I'll often do a quick tidy round for the living areas. I actually have only got 10 minutes. I really need to crack on. We're sort of warming the house up. I think we've just got back from being away, so we've got the fire running. I'm using my boxes to run around, grab everything, put where it lives, get the washing machine on, get the dishwasher on, before running the vacuum round and doing a meeting. Why do the toys just end up in random places? I'm constantly moving them back and forth. These covers on the sofas are amazing. We got these sofas for free, and we just keep covers on them, and then I wash the covers. I'll get a decent sofa when the kids are older. You can see I've got washing, drying here. We're using the fire, and my work's in the background. That's why these 10-minute tidies are so great. It's what you can get done when you've got the time. Quick whiz around, makes you feel really good. You've done a great job. A quick sort out of the fire. At this point, I've got my thick socks on. The fire looks like it's working its way out, having burnt a few things, and I'm getting really, really hot. Thank you for watching. I hope you're inspired to do a few things after watching that. I certainly was, even just editing it. I've got lots of adventures planned, but that means lots of organisation. So I'm going to share them on this channel, including some of our adventures, some of the organisation that's involved, and what it's like living and travelling around New Zealand. I post every Friday, 6 AM New Zealand time. Until then, check out some of these playlists and other videos that you might find useful. I'll see you in my next video.